Okay, how about time?
Alrighty.
Smack that bitch in there. Okay, so that goes through.
Stay through, right?
Biggest thing you don't want to do. Never take this off in any other gear but reverse.
But reverse.
Yeah, that's when you can take it off.
No shit.
So actually, right now, make this easier for me.
Yeah.
What you want to do is
start getting the boot out.
Yep. Oh, yours came off more easier than mine.
Well,
I have already taken it off before too, you know.
Okay. Okay, from here.
Wow.
Well, I'll just
put the
get
pin
that
in here, okay?
Yep. We don't need it, but from here you want to put this thing in reverse. Okay. And you should know, if you're not in reverse, this thing will be very tight.
Okay.
You see how I just did that? Take that out.
You're lying.
Actually, what I could have done too. Actually, no. Let's take this off first. How is your held on? Is yours held on a different way? Or can you just pull it up? Okay. I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Once you get to this point, put her in neutral. Keep this in.
Keep this in.
Keep it in. Now, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy tool. My goodie bag. You want to get yourself something like this?
The Billetworkz replaces this, correct? Yes.
The Billetworkz is a two setup, so it's built in with it. And I don't know if you want to pull that up, show them.
Yeah. We got this at Wicked Big Meat, like M said.
Yep. You want to just open it up. But yeah, there's 2 screws under here, and this is probably going to be your best bet. You can find this in Harbor Freight. It's only probably $4, and you could use this to get it out. All this, just 2 screws. Okay, that's the other screw. Now, what you want to do,
right?
Since we don't have that other piece to actually pull it up and put it in reverse, what you're going to use is just use this.
Wow.
Lift it up, and there you go. You'll know you're in reverse when this thing is standing up high. Boom.
No
Slide
shit.
this piece off. This is what we're going to do. Okay, I need that little screw you have.
Yep, right here.
You want to make sure you have some Allen keys as well. Okay. Make sure you have a nice set of Allen keys that you can use. I believe it's this last one. I think it's a 50,000 one. Just want to make sure you have it nice in there. I keep this on the side, make sure you don't drop it. Alright, so I handmade this, but anything would work fine. Anything small that you could use to locate it while you put the new one in. No. Yep. So let's see. Want to make sure you have the holes lined back to front or front to back. What you're gonna do is put this thing in the back. Try to locate that hole. Okay. So now there it is. We found it. Actually, you know what I should have checked for? Sorry guys, bless you. Okay, so I had it right. So for this, there's a tap side and there's a clearance side. Make sure you have the tap side on that side.
So it does matter?
It doesn't. You could do it like the
but it'll
opposite.
just matter which way you'll thread it in, right?
Easier for you.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so we found that. Just use this to get in there. Since we lined it up.
And just make sure, I mean, if you guys are watching our video and trying to tackle this, make sure you follow our steps and, you know, don't pull no pin.
Yep.
Or don't pull anything out unless you're in reverse, because you will drop your reverse lockout and it'll be a bitch to get it back.
Luckily, I'll show you guys what I made for that case. If I can find it. Wherever it is. Is it up there? Alright, I ended up making this. It's stainless steel wire, bend it at a 90-degree angle. I dropped mines in my car. This was very handy to actually pull up that wire and stick something very small through that hole, through the whole side, and get that thing in reverse so you can actually have it back up.
So now that's if you drop the reverse lockout.
Yep. So now we can put that your little thingamabobber.
Right there.
So yep, as soon as you get that pin in, you want to just put it in neutral, get that little boot back on, and then you can put that shift knob on. Alright guys, we're going to close it off there. So that's just step by step how to get that reverse lockout in. And obviously this is Billetworkz. There might be different instructions for different companies like Cobb and others. But the Allen key size, just make sure you have that 50 thousandths Allen key. Make sure you have that pin to push it out and everything. Always leave that pin if you're in another gear besides reverse, or else that spring will drop on you. Just want to be careful, and that's it. Like and subscribe, guys. This is the Subi Fam.
Subi Fam out.